Hey, are you thinking about making money online in 2025? Whether you're tired of trading time for tips or you just want more freedom, I've got something game-changing for you in this video. I'll show you why starting your own digital marketing agency might be the smartest side hustle of the year and how a tool called GoHighLevel makes it ridiculously doable. By the way, yes, I am an affiliate for GoHighLevel. That means if you use my link to sign up, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you, but it also means I've got skin in the game to help you win. So let's get into it. First of all, why do you even need a side hustle in 2025? Well, let's face it, 2025 is not the year to rely on one income stream. Inflation's still doing its thing, job security is questionable, AI is replacing everything except your dreams. A good side hustle gives you leverage, options, and the ability to say no thanks when your boss asks you to come in on Saturday.
No.
Let's be real. Living paycheck to paycheck should not be your superpower. Another point is, there's a lot of pros and cons to other service-based side hustles. Okay. Now you could do something like DoorDash or Uber. And, my family has done DoorDash before for a while. And hey, it was quick cash. It was flexible. We did it when we had time, fill in the hours. But as far as the cons go, number one, it's not scalable. Okay? You only earn when you drive. If your car becomes your office, this is not the cool kind of your car becomes your office. If your office smells like McDonald's French fries, that's not cool, right? Other than that, burnout is real. Driving around for hours and hours starts to feel less like a side hustle and more like a side hostage situation. If I wanted to wear out my tires for pennies, I would enter a NASCAR race and lose. So why would you want to run a digital marketing agency? Well, here's where things shift. So running a digital marketing agency, you don't need a car, you don't need inventory, or even pants. But please wear pants because this is not OnlyFans, this is YouTube. And all you really need is a laptop, a Wi-Fi, and the right software. And that's where GoHighLevel comes in. It's an all-in-one platform for running your agency. CRM, funnels, websites, texting, emails, automation, reputation management, you name it, it does it. Instead of juggling 7 tools and paying over $500 to $1,000 in subscriptions, you just use one that does it all. You can build and manage campaigns for clients. You can even sell templated systems for specific niches. It's like having an entire agency all in one box. So how did I find GoHighLevel? Well, I was actually trying to scale my direct sales business. And I needed a way to follow up with leads automatically, book more appointments, stay in contact with my past clients, book appointments with them, and then close more deals and bring in new clients as well. And I tried GoHighLevel and it just clicked. Not just for me, but for the people around me, other small business owners that I'm working with, real estate agents, med spas, home service pros, auto repair shops. All of them found a use for GoHighLevel that makes them more money. And no, I didn't go to school for this. I just found a great tool and learned how to use it. Well, here's the good news. If you're thinking, hey, I think I might be able to do this too, you probably can. Start your own GoHighLevel agency using my affiliate link in the description, and I'll give you access to a 30-day free trial. Normally, GoHighLevel only offers a 14-day free trial. I'll give you access to all the templates I have, all the automations I've built and am continuing to build. For the first 25 people to sign up under my affiliate link after this video, what we will do is we're going to continue as we build. You have lifetime access, as long as you're a GoHighLevel subscriber, to all of my automations and all of my systems as I build them out. I will send them out to you as I'm creating. This weekend is the best time to sign up for a GoHighLevel trial because you'll be eligible to join us for the Saaspreneur Bootcamp workshop hosted by Frank Kern. This guy knows so much about getting your business off the ground. There's never been a better time. You'll have 3 days of a deep dive into how to get set up and make the most of this high-level business. You could be making money before you ever pay your first payment. You won't be alone. I'll help you launch your first client system faster than you can say client acquisition automation. Try saying that 5 times fast. Actually, don't. It's a tongue twister and a half. So here's the deal. 2025 is the year to build something that pays you, not drains you. And GoHighLevel is the tool to help you do that. If you're ready to start your agency and actually build a business that works while you sleep, or at least while you have brunch, click the link in the description, grab your free trial, and let's go to work. I'm here to help. Let's make 2025 the year you stopped grinding and started building.